So it is like 90 something degrees in Denver today, and we thought it'd be a good day to go pick up our new puppy. We're getting a puppy, guys. We were just prepping our new apartment to be a puppy safe space. We got her some cute stuff. We got her a little toy. I'm so excited. Urie. Hi.
Hi.
Everyone, this is Urie. Urie. Hi, Urie. Hi, girl. Good girl.
What do you think?
What do you think? Think you like it here? Hi, baby. So Urie is a 3-month-old boxer mix, and she's our new member of the family. Huh. Welcome home. Look at your beautiful coloring. Oh my goodness. Good girl, Urie.
Girl.
Good girl.
I think we're gonna have to get her one of those things in her bowl.
You're gonna have a food drive.
She does. I'm thinking because she had to share with her sisters all the time. Watch, she won't do it now. She won't.
You sure? I am.
Are you happy?
You know, I know it turned out super weird and kind of out of direction.
I love her. She's so cute. What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing? Huh? You a good girl? Good girl, Urie. Good girl. Urie.
Urie, you wanna go outside? You have no idea what that means.
Your stupid tail straight up in the air. You embarrassed? Did I embarrass you? Did I embarrass you? Where'd you sleep last night, Urie? Did you sleep right next to me on the couch? Were you the best little spoon?
It's only because you howled like a maniac when we closed the door on your kennel and we have neighbors.
Come on. Alright, good job. This way, not that way.
He's like, I'll go for my mom.
Come on. That's my shoe. What are you doing? Hi. Go get it.
You just like flop around to get yourself. Like, what is that? Oh.
Look at that puppy belly.
Get your book. Go get it. Yeah, go get it. Why?
Good girl. Good girl. You want a treat?
What are you eating? Don't eat things. Why are you like this?
Urie, come. Good girl.
Can you stop eating the plant? Excuse me, miss, can you not eat the leaves? Why are you like this? No! No!
Urie's getting her first bath. She's gonna hate us. Oh, you like the water? Yeah, you're doing okay. Good girl. A little bit of baby soap on her. Give her a good scrub. She just pooped all through her kennel. So, with that and
It was great.
having pee on her from being at the other kennel, she's due for a bath. She was really good in the bath. Who's in the mirror? You know who that is? Looks like a very grumpy puppy. Come here. Good girl.
Definitely likes food.
It must have been good. Yeah, you do have a strong food drive. You going to see? You gonna go check that out? Oh, it's just a gobble stopper.
I can't get it to suction. You try. I can't get it to suction.
Same.
There's nothing in there. It's so you don't inhale all your food as soon as you put it in there.
So one weekend down, we only had one accident in the house, and she did poop twice in her kennel while we were gone, so hopefully that's not something that's gonna continue. But, you think she's a keeper?
Me? I thought you were talking to all those subs. She's a keeper.
You gonna be a daddy's girl?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Tell everyone. Say, smash that like button. Subscribe. Say subscribe.